There's only one, there's only one. It's only one, just only one, just love and happiness, beauty and holiness.
Hey y'all, it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my hair from this to this. Okay, real quick and easy. I'm wearing a wig by Klaiyi Hair. We're going to get into the details of the wig in a second, but here's what comes in the box. A nice little bag to put your wig in when you're done. It gives you some clips, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and a scarf, and an extra band to put around the back in case it's trying to slide off. So this is the 20-inch Kinky straight V-part wig. I'm going to go ahead and just start customizing it a little bit. If you don't have one of these hair dryer paddle brush things, you're asleep. This makes it so easy to blow dry hair, and I just wanted to get the kinks out really quick, and that took honestly like 45 seconds, and the wig was giving and ready to go. So this is our starting point. Sis is struggling. She needs to be colored, okay? Excuse me, she needs to be colored, but we're gonna get to that in another video. So I'm just gonna put out my leave out, and I'm gonna twist that up. It is a V-part wig, so you don't have to use leave out if you don't want to, if you're like one of those magicians, but we're doing leave out over here. We are. So I'm gonna just go ahead and twist my hair in some flat twists on one on each side, so that I can have, you know, a little bit of an anchor for the clips to clip on. So I'm gonna do one on this side, and then I'm gonna do one on the other side as well. Also, just really quick, I want to point out that I am wearing a full face of makeup because I did like a bridal makeup trial today. Not sure how I feel yet. I'm not sure how I feel, but that's just that. So I'm putting on the cap, and then I'm gonna put the wig over. So it has two on each side, and then one in the middle, and then one on the bottom. So I'm gonna use the clips to clip onto my twist, just to make sure it's nice and secure. And these clips, I don't know if these are different than normal clips, but they feel really snug and secure on my head. Like, they always fit perfectly like around my parting of my leave out. So there is clipped on, and then I have the adjustable straps in the back just for some extra security so the wig don't blow off my head. So I'm going back in with my paddle brush just to straighten out the wig a little bit. Not to get it straight obviously, but just to blow dry it a little bit to get a little more information. So now I'm going to take out my twists so that I can have a nice leave out, and I'm going to blend my hair with the V-part wig. Now it already blends pretty well with my natural hair, I will say that, but I'm going to paddle brush it, or like blow dry it with the paddle brush blow dryer, just so I can get ultimate blending. And already guys, she's already giving, she really is. But we're going to take it an extra step, and we're going to do my favorite thing to do with kinky straight hair, which is add wand curls in it. So I'm separating the hair so I can do it in, like, I would say small to medium sections, because I feel like I get the best results and the curls last the longest when I do this type of size, like a small to medium size. So I'm using the highest heat. My wand curl goes up to 410, so I'm using it on 410. Now with a wand curl, I leave mine on for like 5 to 10 seconds, and I'll like hold it on there, and then when I slide it off, I try to cup the curl in my hand and hold it for about 3 seconds, and then I'll drop it. It kind of like freezes the curl in place. Okay, maybe I'm holding it longer than 3 seconds, girl. But it kind of like freezes the curl in place, and it helps it to have a better form. So that's really all I'm gonna do throughout the whole video. Y'all, please ignore. If you see it, you see it. Just ignore it, you know. I'm still trying to unpack and find everything, you know what I'm saying? So anyways, I'm just going to go out throughout the rest of my hair and wand curl the entirety of my head just by holding it on the wand curl for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then cupping it in my hand for a little bit, and then dropping it loose. So this is how the first half looks. So cute! Are you kidding? Come on, girl. So now I'm just going to finish off on the other side. Now let me say something real quick. First of all, I'm sorry, this hair color, like that brown patch, puke, P-U, you know, but it's okay. We're going to fix it. So I just want to say that wand curls on kinky straight hair, absolutely undefeated. Immediately yes. Immediately yes, every time. I've seen all I needed to see, and I will do it every time. I feel like it comes out so good on kinky straight hair. Why I look at the camera like that? Why did I look at the camera like it was my fiance? I really looked at y'all like I wanted to do some things. Anyways, you can tell I'm really feeling myself. I was trying to try out like different bridal styles that I could wear for my wedding, and this really would have made the cut. but I don't trust kinky straight like wand curls outside. My wedding is outside, and I just don't think it's gonna last. Like once the DJ starts playing like She Got a Dunk or something, it's over. It's over. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle. I think it came out so cute. I will leave all the deets in the description box. And again, this is from Klaiyi Hair. Thanks for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
It's only one, just there's only